Comparing fractional
we're on
values.
video.
Notice that after she draws the two whole units, she cuts them up by how many pieces the denominator tells her to. Then she shaded it with the numerator indicated. In this case, she is comparing the sizes of 1/2 and 3/6. Notice that the same amount of each strip is shaded, indicating that the fractions are the equivalent of each other. Adding 1/2 and 1/3. Notice that she draws the strip diagrams on top of each other to compare the sizes. Then she breaks up both strips even more into a common denominator, which is 6. At the bottom strip diagram, she draws in 6 boxes, which is the common denominator, and then colors in 5 boxes from the colored total of the shaded in boxes in the top first 2 diagrams, to receive the answer of a total of 5, 6. Subtracting 3/4 minus 1/3. First you start with the first fraction, like seen here, shading in 3/4. Then you split up the entire bar into thirds, on top of the shaded 3/4. Shade in 1/3 of the entire bar, having double shading. Notice that you will still need a common denominator, which is 12. After you break it up into 12ths, the part that is shaded only once is your answer, which is 5/12. Multiplying 3/5 times 3/4. When multiplying fractions, you should know to simply multiply across. When drawing the strip diagrams, start by drawing and shading in the second fraction 3/4. Then draw 5 rows indicating from the denominator all the way across the diagram from the first fraction. Finally, check off 3 rows that are shaded in, like seen here. The crisscross pattern shown is the denominator, and the boxes checked off is the numerator of the product, which gets the answer of 9/20. Dividing. 2/3 divided by 1/6. When dividing fractions using strip diagrams, it is important to divide the strip into sections of the first fraction and shading the pieces being considered of that first fraction. Then cut up each third section into halves, making it so that there are now 6 sections of the entire strip. Of the shaded region, there are 4 1/6 and 2/3, so the answer is 4. And remember to always do the arithmetic to check your diagrams.